Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing our beautiful home planet Earth in a super cute kawaii style. With its happy face and bright colors, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for anyone who loves nature and adorable art. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our fun and easy drawing videos. And here's a question for you. If the Earth could talk, what do you think it would say to us? Share your ideas in the comments, we'd love to hear them. Let's grab our pencils and start drawing our kawaii Earth. Great job, artists! Your kawaii Earth looks absolutely amazing, so cute, and full of life. Thanks for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other fun kawaii drawing videos. There's a whole world of creativity waiting for you. Keep drawing, keep caring for our planet, and we'll see you in the next video.